Hello, everyone. Get ready for an exciting video where we explore the amazing features of CODMonster. We'll showcase its game-changing integration with Google Sheets, putting all your order information at your fingertips. Let's get started with the first step, connecting your Google account to the CODMonster app. This is essential for sending your orders directly to a Google Sheet. Begin by clicking the Integrations tab and then hit the Connect button. If this is your first time connecting to Google, you'll be prompted to grant permission for CODMonster to access your data. Make sure to select all the permissions for this functionality to work. Click on the drop-down and select Add New Google Account. A new window will open. Select or enter the Google account you want to use, enter the user ID and password, and include any other details needed to connect to this account. As we mentioned earlier, it is essential to review all the permissions and select all for the integration to work. Click the Continue button to select all the requested permissions to integrate with the app. Click on the Continue button. The CODMonster app page will now open. Close this window and go back to the previous CODMonster app page. Refresh this page, click the Add Your Google Account drop-down and select the Google account you just added. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to connect to your account. Step 2 is to click the Create New Sheet link to create a new G Sheet. Enter the sheet name and click on the Create Sheet button. Select the spreadsheet you just created from the drop-down. You'll need to select the worksheet for valid orders to be loaded automatically, and then choose the worksheet for abandoned orders. Once your worksheets are set up, you can specify the data captured in each column and the order in which they appear. When you're satisfied with your selections, don't forget to hit Save. Congratulations! You've successfully set up the automation to load your order details into your Google Sheet. Now, let's see this in action. Go ahead and create a test order and submit it. Once you submit the order, you can view the new order in your worksheet. And remember, if you have multiple stores, the sheet will also include the store names to help you easily differentiate between them. We hope this feature helps streamline your order management process. Thank you for using CODMonster. Let's make your store a fantastic success.